If you're looking to create a coaching program inside a course platform, you're in the right place. I've tested the most popular platforms out there, and today I'll show you exactly how to set up your own coaching program quickly and efficiently, using one of the best tools available. Stick around to the end, where I'll reveal how you can get an exclusive free trial to follow along with me. First, let's get started. The key to setting up a coaching program is to blend content with interaction. This means your platform needs to have features that allow for both course materials and live coaching. Start by choosing a platform that supports this combination. Our software will make it easy for you to manage everything from video lessons to live sessions. Once you've signed up for the software, the first step is to create a new program or course. Inside your platform, you'll find an option to create a new course or program. Select that and you'll be able to give your program a name and description. Make sure your title is clear, showing that it's a coaching program to attract your ideal clients. Next, you'll want to upload your course content. This could be pre-recorded lessons, PDFs, or even worksheets. For a coaching program, it's not just about content. It's about creating a space for interaction. Most course platforms have a section where you can set up coaching calls, either one-on-one or group calls. Make sure to enable this feature. You can schedule calls and participants can book their spots directly through the platform. Now, let's add some personalization to your program. Depending on the software, you can set up email sequences or reminders that go out automatically when students sign up or as coaching sessions approach. This is a great way to keep your clients engaged and remind them of upcoming sessions. To make the coaching aspect more interactive, you should also consider adding a community section to your program. Some platforms allow for discussion forums or private groups. This is where you can interact with your students, answer questions, and encourage peer-to-peer support. It's a great way to create a sense of community and keep people engaged throughout the coaching process. Once your content is set up and ready to go, you'll want to make sure you can track your students' progress. The software we're using has built-in analytics, so you can see which parts of the program are getting the most attention and which areas might need more focus. When you're ready to start marketing your coaching program, don't forget to set up payment options inside the platform. Many coaching programs are set up on a subscription basis, but you can also offer one-time payments or payment plans. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Creating a coaching program inside a course platform is all about blending great content with personalized coaching and engagement. Choose the right platform, upload your content, set up interactive features like live calls and community areas, and track your students' progress to ensure they get the most out of the program. Just a quick reminder to grab the exclusive free trial of our software through the link in the description below if you want to follow along and create your own coaching program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.